really slightly towards me. Again, you should notice the noise. I've got a good grip there, so the wax is hopefully going to come out in one go. Maybe not, let's block my tube. So when you have your ears irrigated or syringed, the wax needs to be soft. They normally advise you to use softening agents, so olive oil drops, Otex, sodium bicarbonate drops, between 10 and 14 days. That's in order for the water to be able to flush it out. With our technique, sometimes we prefer it to be a bit firmer, because you just get a grip and it comes out in one go. When it's soft, like this, it can block the tube. Nonetheless, it is coming out very well indeed. There's a big chunk there.
Oh my goodness. Can I see that? Sorry.
Yeah, of course you can. I'll. There we are. Quite gruesome. I have seen a lot worse.
Thank you.
Yeah, I've got all the occluding wax out. You have got some wax staining the ear canal wall. If I'm honest, you don't really need to remove that. But we'll get some of the outer part out. And the wax is a natural product secreted by the ear. It's got many benefits actually. Slightly acidic, so it inhibits bacterial growth and repels insects from entering the ear. It's also sticky and greasy, so any foreign particles that enter the ear, it sticks to the wax, and the wax naturally migrates outwards and therefore expels all the foreign particles with it. And with it being greasy, it naturally lubricates the ear canal wall, preventing it from drying and cracking. But I know many of my YouTube fans will be like, oh, you've missed a bit, but it's not necessary to remove that. Got a lovely, nice, healthy eardrum. How do you feel?
Good.
Just a bit. Just a bit right.